We're Boomsourcing. We are a call center group that specializes in lead generation. We are a company within a greater group called Fusion BPO with about 15,000 call center seats worldwide. And my role within Boomsourcing is I'm the Chief Revenue Officer. Yeah, for sure. We actually do use Ringba. We use it as our call tracking platform. It's been highly beneficial for us on a P&L level so that we can track better where we're making money and when we're not, when we're sending calls out to clients. And it allows us to better understand where we're making money or we might be losing it, and what's going to duration and what data is working well, and just all the analytics that come behind all of that. And it's helped us quite a bit. It was a little bit tough at first because we have call center seats in facilities. We did have to transition a fair amount of them to be work-at-home staff. So at first it took a hit for us, but we quickly recovered and actually won quite a bit of business. So we actually gained business over the COVID period simply because we were, I guess you could say, nimble enough to adapt and get our business ready for it. We really made a name for ourselves creating soundboard technology that allows call center agents offshore to use pre-recorded statements to communicate with people onshore and have it sound like they're from the US. There's a number of technologies like that now. Ours is significantly better and sounds significantly better, and more often than not the users have no clue that they're talking to somebody offshore. It feels like they're talking to somebody stateside, which ends up being a much better consumer experience for them. It prevents a lot of miscommunication that could happen, and it's also the most compliant type of call center you could have because the agents can't go off script. So it's been highly beneficial for our business. I think that's why the Fusion Group purchased us in large part, was because of that technology that we have. So it's been very good for lead generation too. First, I'd like to explain what MarTech is. No, that's an inside joke here. Marketing technology. Yeah, my advice is if you can always tie yourself to the revenue that you're helping people generate, they won't look at you as a cost center, but they will look at you as a profit center. Ringba's been that way for us as an example. We try to be that way for our clients. And if you can tie yourself directly to revenue, then you'll do very well in this industry. Yeah, I think Ringba's been a solid platform partner, and I think they're absolutely worth using for call tracking and all the analytical parts, the business that they offer for you. So they're worth using for sure. We're just awesome. If you need people to make phone calls for you or field phone calls for you, there's no one better for sure. So give us a call.